Hello everyone! Ang pag-uusapan naman natin today is index match. Isa rin tong function na pwede nyong gamitin to look for a specific value. Ano nga ba ang index match? Paano siya gumagana? Index match is actually a nested function. So index lang talaga siya. And then may nested na match para ma-maximize natin yung index na function. So, yung index, i-return niya lang yung value or reference of the cell at the intersection of a particular row and column given in a range. Kailangan natin yung row number and yung column number. Row number and column number is also equals to row index number and column index number. And if you watch my previous videos, as I mentioned, kapag may index number, we can always use the match function. So that's why nested yung match function sa index. Paano naman nag-work yung match? So yung match, i-return niya lang yung position of an item in an array that matches yung lookup value mo. Ang ibibigay na value ni match is number, which is yung kailangan natin sa index. So, paano siya gumana? Example, if we want to get yung monthly, if I will take a loan for 6,500 for 12 months. So we want to get yung monthly payment niya and also yung rate. So let's use index function to get yung monthly payment. First, kailangan nating intindihin paano ba gumana ang index. And unlike VLOOKUP, ang array for index is yung data mo lang. For example, on this table, kailangan lang natin is yung cells na nagko-contain ng monthly payment, which is from C2 to H7. So this is one of the difference between VLOOKUP kasi kay VLOOKUP, kailangan mong kunin yung buong table. Okay? So paano siya gumana? Example, yung 12th month on this array ay nasa first row. Ito yung 12. And then, yung 6,500 ay nasa fourth column. Andito siya. So, kapag ginamit natin yung index equals index array natin is ito. And then, ang row na kailangan natin is row number 1 and ang column na kailangan natin is column number 4. Close that and we get 574.17. Bawasan lang natin yung decimals. Okay. And format that as dollar. Okay? So, ganun lang nag-work yung index. However, paano natin siyang gagawing dynamic? So, in Excel, lahat ng reference na mayroong number ay pwedeng gawing dynamic using match function. So, ang gagawin natin, himay-himayin natin. So, let's use match function on a separate cell para lang ma-distinguish natin. So, ang kailangan natin kunin is yung row number. So, that means that we need to get number 1 on our formula. So, equals match. Ano ang kailangan nating i-match? Number of months. Saan natin siya i-match? Sa column A. So, from A2 to A7. Okay? And then, ang match type natin is exact match. And then enter. And as you can see, number 1 yung lumalabas, which is ayun yung kailangan natin. So, gawin natin, i-copy lang natin tong formula na to. And then, i-paste natin siya dito sa index formula natin. So, papalitan natin yung number 1. And as you can see, same pa rin yung result. Now, ang kailangan naman natin is i-match yung amount dun sa column. So, ulit natin yan. Again, match equals match yung lookup value, yung amount, ang lookup array, itong row number 1. So, from C1 to H1. So, exact match, close, and there you go. So, tama naman. Fourth column ang kailangan natin. So, copy natin tong formula nito. And then, ilipat natin siya rito. And there you go. Ngayon, dynamic na yung formula natin. Kahit na magbago pa to, automatic, magre-recompute yung monthly payment natin. Depending dun sa tenure and then dun sa amount. Pag simple lang, ang index match or yung index match na function mo, for example, gusto natin kunin yung rate. So, equals index. Ang array natin, ito yung rate. Kung nasaan yung rate. Row number. So, match. Match natin yung tenure sa column A. So, A1 to A7 again. And again, ang match type niya is exact match. And then, if you notice, naka-bracket yung column kasi optional siya. So, kapag isa lang yung column mo, of course, hindi mo na kailangan ilagay yung number 1. Automatic na yan na i-recognize ni Excel. So, kapag hindi mo in-indicate yung column number, automatic yan number 1. So, enter. So, kulang lang ako ng parenthesis. Okay? And there you go. We determined na yung 48 months ay mayroong rate na 12%. And then for 6,500, meron siyang monthly na 151.67. So 48, 65, and there you go. I hope I was able to explain it properly. If you have questions, comment lang sa video.